Have you ever wondered how to share your Instagram notes only with selected group? Here's how. To begin with, open the Instagram app on your device. After that, look at the bottom of the screen and click on the airplane icon. Next, at the top of the chat screen, you will see your note option. Just tap on it to start creating your note. Moving forward, type the note you want to share. Additionally, if you prefer, you can also enhance it by adding music or location. Now look towards the bottom and click on the privacy option. From your select close friends, this ensures that your note is visible only to the people you have chosen for your close circle. Finally, once everything looks correct, hit the share button at the bottom right corner and your note will be displayed only to your close friends. And that's all. If this guide was helpful, subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.